All right, we are at the Entra Admin Center. So here we manage the identities, group, and policies. So groups are on the left hand side under the Entra ID. If you look, let's click on group to create a new group. Now here we got new group. So groups are kind of containers for users and can be used to assign access collectively. Let's create a new group for it. Next, we can select the group type. We'll select the security. I will create a group name like I'll give a name like security reader. Let's say I want the group who will have some read kind of permissions. Let's say the dashboards and all those kind of things. So I'll write here, this provides reader role for basic security task. Looks good. Next, we need to select the owners, like who will be owner of the group. This is very important. It's kind of like creating a family, right? The head of the family we are assigning, like the owner. Let's click on no owner selected. Let's select one of our email. We can mention any of our colleagues' email if you want to make them the owner. So once selected, it will be presented out with one owner selected. Next, same goes for the members. It's kind of the members of the family who you want to add. You can add yourselves again as well if there are no members as of now added. Also, in the members, we can even add a group. If there is a group in your account, we can directly add the group as well as the members. So it will include all the members of that group as well. So this is another way of doing things. So once done, we'll click on create. So it's creating a group. It says group successfully created a group. So looks good. So we can verify once the group is created, please hold on for some time. Then refresh this web page so that the total number of groups changes from 1 to 2, like it gets updated. I'll refresh this and there we go. Within 10 seconds, I got the results. Now total group is 2. It got updated. We can view by clicking on this hyperlink 2. And here we can see the security reader group, which we have created, right? And group type is mentioned security. And we can see the group has now appeared, and that's how we manage groups. Then we can assign roles to the group by going to roles. So that is a different aspect, but for now, for the group management, we are done. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.